Curious how to set up the CoolAir? The CoolAir provides shade, ventilation, and light rain protection, perfect for any outdoor setting. In this example, we're using a CoolAir Square 540 in anthracite. CoolAir is available in various sizes and 4 colors: blue, terracotta, anthracite, and sand. Lightweight, durable, and easy to set up using guy lines and D-rings. Poles, ropes, and pegs are sold separately. We recommend the Rope Set Pro and the telescopic aluminum tent pole, both featured in this video. The CoolAir is the ideal shelter for travel or your permanent campsite. The open weave of the fabric filters sunlight while allowing air and rain to pass through. No puddles, just fresh airflow. Our CoolAir shelter is versatile and flexible. Set it up in countless ways. Let your creativity run free and try out different configurations.